What's up, YouTube? Today, I'm giving you clipper over comb instructions. I'm giving you shear work. I'm giving you this fantastic taper. I'm showing you what you're getting up front so you don't gotta see that at the end. If you want to learn how to do this with no enhancements, all skill, no paint, keeping the lineups natural, keeping everything copacetic, then watch the video. So we have the new premium guards from Babyliss. We got the 4-guard on. We're going to use this to separate what we're using machine work with and what we're using shear work with and clipper over comb. Everything over the 4, clipper over comb shear work. Everything under the 4, we're going to fade down with the machine. Make sure you subscribe to the video. The more subscribers I get, the more videos I make, the more thumbs up I make, the more content you get. So you like it, you thumbs it up, I make more videos. We got the 2-guard on the bottom. So we got the 4 in the middle, 2 on the bottom. Now we have the 3-guard. We're bringing all those together. We have the 2-guard on this side. So we have a 4 and a 2. We're skipping in steps, called skip stepping. Now we have the 3-guard on there. So as you see right here, we have a clear indication of what we're doing. We're going to ball the bottom of the taper in the back with any trimmer of your choice. Use your shaver after that. Take the shaver line out with the trimmer. This has been passed down from generation to generation. OG barber. I've given it to you. Take it, try it. Tell me what you like in the comment section. 1.5 guard. 1 guard all the way open. I got the 4K content zoomed in so you can see the hair. You're not getting much better quality. If you're going to like the people that shoot with the iPhone, you might as well like this because this is better. I'm just saying. I see what they do. I see what I do. Now we got the half guard and we're going to start working on that bottom line. Without my big head in the way. Now we're going to fade out the bottom line by opening and closing the lever. You can see with my thumb. All the way down is open. All the way up is closed. Don't be afraid to grab someone's head and move them to the direction you need them so you can get that, so you can see what you're doing and get a better vantage point. Here we're going to start the skin taper off by using the trimmer, followed by the shaver, followed by the trimmer again to take that line out. And we're going to do detail here without no enhancements. So we're going to leave hair. So follow these steps. All the way open, all the way closed. We're taking out that line. Now we have the 1.5 guard on. You got taper behind the ear into the haircut so you don't have a real dark spot. Now see what I'm doing there is I'm seeing how long it is, so I'm taking the guard off before I'm just cutting. Because his hair is a little bit light in that top corner. I've cut his hair before, so I'm making sure I didn't cut it too short. Now with the hair that we've left, we're gonna do detail work. A lot of people, they just do a high skin taper, then they start spraying enhancements. That washes out, and everything is a high taper. This way we're giving them detail, and we can still put enhancements on this, but the hair is there. So when this is washed away the next day, he looks just as good as when he came in and left. Now we're using the corner of the blade, kind of bursting that taper in like a circle. Now we're doing clipper over comb. His hair gets wavy after a certain point, so it's slightly tricky. Not the most difficult thing in the world, but definitely you gotta account for the waviness of the hair. Right here, we're pulling the ear back so we can go around the ear, putting the detail. Same steps on this side. Trimmer, shaver, trimmer, start your taper. Now we're going with the grain of the hair, so we're following the hair growth, and we're making sure we leave hair because we want to detail this cut. So now we're going to follow the natural line of the C cup, use our trimmer, our Gold FX. Now we got the clipper over comb. Right where you did the 4, that's where you clipper over comb, so you gave yourself a guideline. Now we're just combing the hair down from the side all the way down, pulling it out, and whatever was hanging over that 4, we're gonna trim that down. This is just bulk removal. Clipper over comb the same way. I'm giving you both in this, so whatever you prefer. I could do anything, but if you prefer this way, this is how you do it. If you prefer clipper over comb, I showed you that also. Now pull the hair straight up from the top in the middle and just give yourself a guideline. Follow that all the way to the front. Now you have your guideline. You're going to come back with that section you have in the middle, and you're just going to match that. Now we're going to see what's hanging over on those sides. Same thing on this side. We're going to go all the way back. Now we're going to cross-reference it a little bit. Now see, when the hair is curly, you kind of gotta make sure the hair is not curling, so you gotta, double check, cross-reference a lot. So you comb it and you look at it from the vantage point of where they're looking at it. So if you're behind the client, you might want to step in front, comb their hair, see what's sticking out, see where you see something that they would see. Back with the clipper over comb. Now I'm in front looking what bulk would be on the side. If he combed his hair, I'm seeing what areas of the hair are going to be sticking out, creating like an unclean look. So this is why I'm looking at him from the front. That's something I didn't learn for years of barbering, something I picked up on. All right, so we're seeing what kind of hair we could take away. We don't want to cut too much hair, and we don't want hair to fall over the line. So initially we're going to just cut the least amount of hair. And then we're gonna see what's hanging off over there that's gonna give us trouble, and we'll cut that also. It's better to do not enough than to do too much in the beginning, because you can always cut more. All right, we're gonna razor them up. Tomb 45 razor, my favorite razor of all time. And this is how it came in. Looking like an 80s motorcycle cop. And bam, there you go. A classic detailed skin taper with a professional hairstyle on top. Like, subscribe, appreciate me, all that good stuff. Leave comments, and I'll catch you on the next one.